In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold on the Warden 308. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide to do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and go into the gunsmith and go into the customize tab, specifically into this camo tab right here, and select multiplayer, and you're going to see all the challenges that you need to complete in order to end up with Shattered Gold on this weapon. Now, the first 9 camos right here are going to be your headshot camos, and you have to get 80 headshot total with this weapon in order to make your way all the way through them and unlock the opportunity to do those special camos. This is a marksman rifle. It is obviously not the best weapon in the entire game in terms of its fire rate, but the damage is pretty high and it's got pretty good distance overall, meaning headshots are pretty easy to go and do. I recommend domination for this. Kind of camping down the line of sight towards B on really any map is the way to go, especially on smaller maps. When Nuketown comes out, this is going to be extremely easy to go and do. Right now, Hijacked is pretty solid because you have those 2 lanes that go all the way down on both sides to all of the zones, making it super duper easy to get these headshots. Overall, headshots are pretty easy on this. I would just stick with objective-based game modes like domination specifically for honestly all of these marksman rifles. For the first special camo, we got Diamondback, and you just got to get 30 objective kills. So once again, play those objective-based game modes. Either sit inside of the objective or kill people that are going into the objective. I think hardpoint's easiest for this, in my opinion. But if you want more consistency, definitely go with something like domination. For the Raptor camo, you just have to have 5 or more attachments equipped and then get 50 eliminations. Pretty much do the exact same method as you have been doing for any of these other ones, just with 5 attachments now. And for mainframe, you just got to get 30 one-shot kills with the Warden 308. This is pretty easy to do because this gun is really powerful. All headshots are going to be one-shot no matter what, too. So put some attachments on, and it'll make it just a little bit easier for you and do the exact same method as the headshot method right here. For Shattered Gold, you're going to want to get 3 kills without dying 10 times with the Warden. This one is also, in my opinion, pretty easy to go ahead and knock out. Set outside of the objective, line up headshots. You're not really going to take any damage and just try and get 3 of them in a row 10 times. That's 30 kills max, and you'll get Shattered Gold in no time. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.